Hey everyone, I'm attorney Jordan McIntyre with McIntyre Elder Law, and I'm joined by the Haley Matson, who's an attorney in our Charlotte office. And today we are going to talk about why estate planning isn't just for the wealthy, right? And there's really this myth, right? And I want to get something straight. Estate planning is not just for millionaires with beach houses and trust funds, whether you're retired on a fixed income or you're just starting your family out, right? You have an estate. For a lot of people, that's your home. You're concerned about that home. You spent your whole life getting that. That's your main asset. You've also got your bank accounts, your vehicle, even items within the home. And the truth is, if you don't plan, the state's going to do that for you, and that rarely reflects your wishes. So I think Haley's going to talk about what you're really protecting when you're doing estate planning.
Sure. Thanks, Jordan. So what you're really protecting with your estate plan is your family. That's who you're really protecting here. Not only are you protecting your assets, but you're also protecting your kids by designating a guardian for them. You're protecting your family's legacy and assets by designating your bank accounts. And you're saving your family from a lot of difficult decisions by creating your powers of attorney, your living will, and designating someone as an executor. Those are we protecting?
Absolutely. And that brings in the question of what's going to happen if you don't do an estate plan, right? If we want to protect our families, we want to protect our home and our legacy, then what's going to happen if we don't do it? It's going to go through probate, right? And
Yep.
that's the period where, an executor has to run a 90-day notice to creditors. And if you die with any medical debt or any type of debt, they're going to come in during this 90-day period and make that claim. And you better believe anybody who wants that money is going to come in and take it. So that's how people get in situations where they die and then family loses the family farm or the family home. And we are very aware of this because we get people qualified for Medicaid, specifically the Medicaid programs that will cover assistance for nursing homes, right? So while we get people qualified for these benefits, we also want to ensure that we shield their assets, either using a ladybird deed to protect the home or trust to get assets outside of probate. Want to qualify them for the benefit on the one hand, then make sure if they pass, we didn't really screw them over by having the assets go through probate. So we want to do both of those, right?
Yeah.
And we just take care of that, right? Planning doesn't mean you're expecting the worst. It just means you're taking control before any types of crisis hits, right?
Absolutely.
Yes. Then Haley, if you have anything else to say or any more advice?
I just know how important it is to do early. I mean, a lot of people really do believe the myth that either it's only for the wealthy or it's only for older folks who really need to get it done. But the truth is that it's easier to do now than it is later, and it's more important now than it is later as well. You want to protect your assets, but you want to also protect your family as well. You want to protect yourself and your loved ones from Medicaid reclaiming your assets, and you also want to save them from the probate process as well.
Yes. And if you have already done estate planning, life changes. If it's outdated, come in and make new changes. I know Attorney Matson is recently married. There might be some estate planning changes with her documents if she has them. I'm still single, so who knows? But assuming I do get married, I need to do some changes. So the point is, don't wait. Don't assume you don't have enough to plan. It's really about people. It's not about your money or your assets, even though we want to try to protect that. We're really worried about people. That's what money is for, is to help our families during our life, to make sure we're taken care of. So if this resonates with you or someone you love, just visit our offices. We do offer free consults in Shelby, Charlotte, and Hendersonville. Visit the website at www.mcelderlaw.com. You can find all types of resources, articles, blogs, videos on estate planning, and give us a call at 1-888-999-6600. We would love to talk with you. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.